Need to change your Mac's login password? Whether it's for security or you just forgot it, it's super easy to do in macOS. Here's how to get it done in a few clicks. Open System Settings from the dock. On the sidebar, scroll down and click on Login and Password, then select your user account. Next, click the Change Password button, or it might say Password, depending on your macOS version. Enter your old and new password from this pop-up window. Type in your new password, and just below it, retype the new password to verify it. For extra security, you can add a password hint, but make sure it's not too obvious. Hit Change Password, and you're all set. Your new password will work the next time you log in or unlock your Mac. Pro tip: use a strong password with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid reusing old ones. If you're locked out, you can reset it using your Apple ID or recovery mode. But that's a topic for another video. Try it out and drop a comment if you've got any password tips to share.